It is so easy to install a B-series water pump, and I'm going to show you how. The reason it's easy is all you need is this gasket. You don't have to use Honda Bond or any kind of sealant. That's assuming you have a flat mating surface, like this. Except I don't. See this blue mark? That's where my machinist noted, that it was raised right there because at some point something very hard hit the side there. So it doesn't actually allow the water pump to lay flat, even though it's not part of the actual mating surface. So what I'm going to do is grind that edge down with this Milwaukee die grinder so that I can lay the water pump flat. Now that this lays flat, we can bolt it in. I'm going to be really extra and use ARP stainless steel hardware that costs like $5 a bolt, but that's absolutely not necessary for this Gates water pump. What is really important is that you torque these correctly, not over torqued and not under torqued. It's really easy to over torque these because you only need to go to 9 foot-pounds for this aluminum on aluminum with a rubber gasket connection. Once all 5 of these bolts are done, I can move on to the rest of the timing belt kit. If you want to see that and the rest of this engine build, check out my YouTube.